In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel my Tinder Gold subscription. If you no longer want to keep your Tinder Gold membership active, the process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do. This method is done directly through the Tinder website, so make sure you're following along on a browser. Start by going to tinder.com and signing into your account. Be sure to log into the same account that currently has the Tinder Gold subscription attached to it. If you have more than one account, or you've used different sign-in methods before, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct one before continuing. That will help you avoid confusion later. Once you're signed in, look for your profile icon. This is usually located in the main account area and is where you'll find your personal settings and subscription-related options. Click on your profile icon to open your account menu. From there, select Manage Payment Account. This section is where Tinder stores the details related to your current plan and billing setup. When you open it, you should be able to see your active subscription information, including your Tinder Gold plan if it's currently enabled. Next, locate your Tinder Gold subscription in the list of available plans or payment details. Take a moment to review the page carefully so you don't click the wrong option, especially if there are multiple subscription or payment settings shown. When you find the Tinder Gold subscription, click Cancel Subscription. After that, Tinder will usually ask you to confirm your decision. This extra confirmation step is important because it finalizes the cancellation request. Go ahead and confirm to complete the process. After you cancel, it's a good idea to check for any on-screen confirmation message or account update showing that your subscription has been canceled successfully. In many cases, you may still keep access to Tinder Gold features until the end of your current billing period, so canceling typically stops future renewals rather than removing access immediately. And that's it. By signing into Tinder.com, opening your profile, going to Manage Payment Account, finding your Tinder Gold subscription, and selecting Cancel Subscription, you can stop the membership from renewing. If you're following these steps while watching, just move slowly through each screen and confirm the cancellation when prompted, and you should be all set.